What is the best Android phone? In the list of the Antutu benchmark, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is the best Android phone. And today in this video, I want to have a review of OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Let's go. The most striking feature of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is its screen. This screen has a 1.5K resolution. It comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel. The device, which has very good color saturation, is combined with a 120Hz screen refresh rate to provide a smooth experience. The brightness level of the screen is also quite sufficient. With a maximum brightness of 1600 nits, it will provide a sufficient experience in outdoor use. One of the most important features of this device is the rainwater touch technology. Thanks to this technology, we can use the phone uninterruptedly even in torrential rain. This technology is so ambitious that OnePlus even made a comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which usually advertises water resistance. OnePlus Ace 2 Pro has chosen a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 as its chipset, a chipset that offers much better performance than the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset used by the Redmi K60 Ultra, its price rival. The device also has the highest RAM capacity we can see in smartphones. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro performs just like other Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 devices. Up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4 storage provide high-speed data processing and storage capacity. OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is always one step ahead of competitors such as Xiaomi 13 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, like many flagship devices today, has a 5000 mAh battery capacity. However, OnePlus makes a difference here too, using 150W wired fast charging technology. This allows you to fully charge your phone in an incredible 17 minutes, considering that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra offers 45W fast charging and its closest competitor Redmi K60 Ultra offers 120W fast charging support. It's a very good value. On top of all this, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro features the Super VOOCS power management chip that controls the display, charging speeds and temperature to guarantee long-lasting charge protection. This chip allows you to charge your smartphone faster and more safely. At the same time, this power management chip also controls the smartphone's discharge. In this way, our phone has a fast, safe, long-lasting battery both when charged and discharging. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro features a triple camera array. Just like the OnePlus 11, it uses a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support. It will allow you to take very clear and high-quality photos. An 8-megapixel mid-range wide-angle camera is used as an auxiliary camera. These cameras are accompanied by a 2-megapixel macro camera. This device, which can record 4K 60fps video, unfortunately cannot shoot 8K video. On the front, a 16-megapixel camera is used. With this camera, you can get very low video recordings such as 1080p 30fps. If we examine the daily shooting performance of the main camera, the lines of the building in the photo are quite detailed. At the same time, the color tone of the indoor air and the color tone of the building are very harmonious. It's worth noting that it's a very successful shot. If we examine the night shooting performance of the main camera, the balance between where there is lighting and where there is not is quite good. There is no light burst or imbalance. In addition to all these, it was a very detailed shot, and I can't pass without mentioning that the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro has a very successful night mode. It was a perfect shot. Well guys, it's the end of the video and thanks for watching. If you want to buy a budget phone, watch this video on the screen and don't forget to subscribe.